and you can cook strong. Indigenous farmers, you take them like us. Who exporting all of the weed now, hold me Kenny gas. Reaperman Ralph, Reaperman Ralph. You and Cigarette Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaperman Ralph, Reaperman Ralph. You and that chimney Julian, all you mash up the land.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Now, today, I was very flabbergasted about what I read about St. Vincent. But before I do that, I must say happy Thanksgiving to everybody, because you know it's Thanksgiving in the USA. So everybody in the USA and everybody all over the world, happy Thanksgiving. Now, I heard some very disturbing news about the beautiful island of St. Vincent. And this is not a political agenda, because I don't know the opposition. I'm just speaking from what I see people going through. Now, I have been following the Prime Minister of St. Vincent, and in the last bit, he made a couple trips. He made a trip to Nigeria, and he met a member of a bank over there. He went to Saudi Arabia, and he met with the bigwigs in the Saudi government, and they're gonna give him money too, like the bank in Nigeria giving him money. Somebody said it was 60 million he's getting from Saudi Arabia, and Venezuela has also given him 9 million. So he's making these rounds all over the globe, and he's getting money. Now, I heard through the grapevine that he got like $100 million. Okay, in loans or investment or whatever. Now, do you guys know, and I want you all to listen to me now, the island of St. Vincent do not have any stoplights. They do not have any working stoplights. So just imagine you driving, and all it is stop sign, and then they have police to direct the traffic. What's wrong with that picture? There is no development. There is nothing. Not a 24-hour gas station. No stoplights in the country. And I was very upset about this, because the Prime Minister is getting all this money and he's not building up the infrastructure in the country. How are you building up hotels, sandals and all of that, and you don't have the proper traffic signs, the proper stoplight, the proper roads? There is nothing for the tourists them to do. There is no restaurant with dancing and different things like, and I'm not saying this because I'm Jamaican, but in Jamaica there's lots of things to do if you go there on a vacation. There's even a program in Jamaica where locals can get a day pass and go to any hotel you want to eat, drink, all exclusive, or I should say inclusive in one price, you and your family. So there is something fundamentally wrong when you live in a country in 2023 in the Americas, right there in America backyard, and there is no working stoplights. There is no stoplights in St. Vincent. Now, I'm quite sure people in St. Vincent who have traveled, it's the first time they really see a working stoplight and see functionality in terms of traffic infrastructure. Now, I was speaking to a friend of mine in St. Vincent last night, and he tried to justify the fact that there is no working stoplight. And I spoke to another friend, and he said the same thing, that it used to work, and the other government, I guess Mitchell had brought it in, then they broke, and the present government for 20 years, 20 years, dog, didn't fix one working stoplight, didn't fix nothing. I heard they have camera at stop signs and the camera is blurry. I mean, it's like backwards. Listen, when you step into St. Vincent, you're stepping into bedrock. You remember the Flintstone, Barney Rubble, you understand? Fred Flintstone, Wilma Flintstone, Betty Flintstone, or whoever she named. That's what that is. There is nothing. At 5 o'clock, downtown Kingstown is closed. There is no incentive for economics, dog. No wonder the youths them down there is selling so much damn drugs and hustling, because there is really no economics there. You understand? That place should be a bustling place. There is no export association for the farmers, like one area where the government can get their food and sell it. Listen, the job of a foreign affairs minister, so whoever is the minister of foreign affairs and the finance minister, you need to go look opportunities for our country. And when I say opportunities, I'm not talking about going to go borrow money and begging banks. I'm thinking about exporting our goods and services. So our agriculture should be exported. Banana, whatever we have a lot of should be. But St. Vincent get a lot of food from Trinidad. You understand? There is no manufacturing. There is nothing. By 4 or 5 o'clock you have to go to your bed. You see what I'm saying? There is no 24 hours nothing. If you run out of gas after 10 in the windward side, your ass is grass. You better have a jug or some extra gas. What is wrong with that situation? This is how the people them of St. Vincent expect to live, dog. Huh? Look how bad Jamaica is, and look at Jamaica. Jamaica have north to south highway. Jamaica is one of the most violentest places, and we have the most murder in the world. But at the same time, even though the politician them is corrupted and crazy, and the police and everything, they move forward. You could actually see, I know people in Jamaica who used to be poor and now they're rich or they're middle class. There's so much big house, everybody starting their business, whether it's a cook shop, this, that. It's a move in society. And it's not only Jamaica, St. Lucia, all those other Trinidad, it's the same thing. Those society have infrastructure. So I cannot understand if this is how the people them of St. Vincent expect to move forward in the future. This is what you guys are gonna settle for. I'm sorry. This is what the legacy. Look in Jamaica. The government supposed to fix the roads, they don't. People start complaining. You understand? When garbage pile up, they complain. You understand? There's certain things that we pay tax for. There are certain things that the government that should be a no. There is no industry in St. Vincent. What are the younger generation gonna do? There is no construction because it's unlike, it's not like St. Lucia and those places where people come back and build their houses. If you go to Jamaica, you know how much gated communities is in Jamaica. You know how much big houses, apartment buildings. You see people, even the drug dealer them, when they come back, they wash their money and they start building apartments. You understand? Jesus Christ, man. When I heard there was no working stoplight in St. Vincent, that shit broke my heart. I don't know if people think that is normal. And if that's the way the people them of St. Vincent is gonna live for the future, that is sad. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.